Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and let's kick off 2024 the right way. I'm going to be out in your area in January. We're going to be doing this day-long workshop, and we're going to start the day with Become Google Great. The record for this, $500,000 in 1 year to the bottom line for one business owner. You do not want to miss this morning session. Bring your laptop, bring your tablet, be ready to apply those techniques right there in the class. We'll take a lunch break, we'll come back, we're going to talk AI. We're going to dive deep on Canva Pro and all of the elements, including AI, that they offer to you as a business owner. Then we're going to talk about probably the hottest topic out there right now, ChatGPT. And then we'll wrap the day with Box Brownie. And they have some AI elements as well to help you improve not only your writings for your listings, but also your photographs for your listings and other parts of your business. They also have a giveaway that's going to be over $55 worth of value that you guys are going to obtain just from them. This is a day that's going to be packed with tons and tons of resources to help build and grow your business. So RSVP, save your spot because it will sell out. I will be there Tuesday, January 23rd. We're going to start the day at 9. We're going to take our lunch break from 12 to 12:30, and then we're going to wrap the day at 3:30. So bring your laptop, bring your tablet, be ready to build and grow in 24. Thanks.